Hi, I'm Commander Elmar Bornkessel and I'm the commanding officer of sail training ship Gorch Fock from the German Navy, and welcome on board. Gorch Fock is probably one of the most beautiful ships you will see in your whole life. We were built in 1958 and we are 89 meters long, have a width of 12 meters, and the most impressive thing are the masts, of course, and they have 45 meters height. We have an open bridge, so it's no bridge house, so we are here exposed to all weather conditions. And here we also see the steering wheel, which is a hand mechanic steering wheel that we need when we are out at sea, at least 4 persons to control this steering wheel, because it's really hard work and you really need the power actually to move the rudder. Here we see the traditional engine order telegraph, or in a short version EOT. We are a sail training ship, therefore of course we really don't like to use the engine. But if I would like to have it, I can order full speed ahead. But what really keeps us going are the 3 masts with the 23 sails, which gives us a maximum speed of 70 knots. So now you have seen the bridge, but the rest of the ship will be shown to you by Lieutenant J.G. Padpack. He's one of my sail training officers and is responsible for the training of the cadets.
We have nearly 70 years of history behind us, and I want to show you what is our home and our ship. I welcome you here in the Commander's Stateroom, a place where high-ranking politicians, important women and men, and even some crowned ones sat in our 70 years of tradition. I want to show you some of the living rooms. First of all, the XO's chamber, the quarter of a normal officer here on board. Secondly, the living room for all the officers here on board. The place where we held our appointments, where we eat and where we met after service. That's also the place where some of the best parties are held and some of the best memories are made. Now I welcome you here in this part we call in German Schlosshof, where our history comes alive. First of all, the model of the original build of Gorch Fock from 1958. And second point I want to talk about is the boatsman's pipe, gifted to us by Prince Philip of England. And the man who made all this, Gorch Fock, a German poet that was famous for writing about living with and from the sea.
Hi, glad to see you again. Here we are now in my stateroom. It's my working and living room. During our last port visit in Hamburg, I received a collector book. It's about the Operation Sail 76, which was the sail for the 200th anniversary of the United States of America. Also, the American President Ford, was 1976 on board Gorch Fock. So since this is my room and I spent so many hours here, I've personalized a little bit, of course. I have 16 years of sea duty and this is pretty much represented in all the badges here. We have a hull plate and rivets from Eagle, which is one of our sister ships. So last but not least, actually the most important to me, my family, my kids, and they are here so that I have them always with me and can always take a look at them when I work.
Welcome you on the foredeck, the part of the ship where you have the most beautiful view in the world. Behind me you can see the beautiful port of Amsterdam. I hope you enjoyed the tour and see what we see in the Gorch Fock, a living part of German naval tradition.
And I hope to see you in New York in July.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.